if you're not sure what to play when you see a chord chart, then today let's step through 4 levels to work out some tricks for the left hand and also how to play an easy melody along with a beautiful progression from the Truman Show. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Well, welcome to a sunny day here in Queensland. It's starting to warm up to head into our spring. Our front tree always explodes over these couple of weeks into blossoms, and it's just such a beautiful season here in Australia. Lately I've been seeing viewers pop up from Canada and the Philippines, India and Austria. So a big welcome to everyone, and I'd love to hear where you're watching from today here in the comments. So let's get into our piano tutorial now by starting down in the left hand. So we're going to base ourselves in the key of G today. So let's check out a G chord starting with G, skip up, skip up. Then our next chord is going to step up to A, skip up, so play that together. And then B, skip up, stepping our thumb into the sharp there, on F sharp, and then up to a C chord. So let's have a go at just blocking those through. So we'll try and have them all play at the same time by dropping our wrist down here as we go. And move to the next one, and C at the top. So G chord, up to A minor, B minor, and C chord there. Let's now add a melody that's inspired from the Truman Show. We watched this recently with our kids and they thought it was a bit weird, as Jim Carrey always is, but the twist was really interesting, so check that out if you haven't seen it before. That night that I watched it, in the middle of the night, this little riff was going over and over in my head, and I think it was towards the end of the movie that my ear caught onto this. A very simple melody, so let's add that over our G chord. We start from our middle note of our G, and we're going to go, if we just number the fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll just call out the numbers, that might be easiest. So 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5. And we're simply going to put the chord under that, so G chord, 3, 2, 3, 1. G chord again, 3, 2, 3, 5. And let's move up to the A minor in both hands, and we're going to do exactly the same thing again. So we're going to play chord, 3, 2, 3, 1, chord, 3, 2, 3, 5. Both hands up to B minor now. So B, D and F sharp in each hand. So chord, 3, 2, 3, down to 1, chord, 3, 2, 3, 5. Chord, 3, 2, 3, 1, chord, 3, 2, 3, 5. Then let's do that all again, and I can show you a little ending that we can add on just to make our melody that little bit longer. So part 2 is chord, 3, 2, 3, 1. Chord, 3, 2, 3, 5. A minor, 3, 2, 3, 1. Chord, 3, 2, 3, 5. One more, B minor, 3, 2, 3, 1. Chord, 3, 2, 3, 5, and then we're just going to go to the G, D, A down on the left hand. So to break that down, we can play a G chord, going into a D chord if we like, or just an A bass note if you want to keep it really simple, down to a G again. The top hand went G, D, C, B, A, B, just to have a little finish there. Let's put it together. So G, D, C, if you want to do a full left hand, this is what it could look like. G, into the D chord, G chord again. Now for our third level of playing, let's jump into the classical era, and the Alberti bass was a very popular tool with many of the composers. So the Alberti bass breaks down into bass note, thumb, middle finger, thumb. Bass note, thumb, middle finger, thumb. Now let's get it a bit faster. last beat there. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's break it into what our hands are doing by tapping on our legs first of all. So let's say aloud, left, left, both, 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 left, both. And let's do it again. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Now onto the piano, these are what the notes will look like. And if you want to make it simpler to start, just do one hand at a time as I'm calling it out. We'll do it a couple of times and keep swapping it out. So it's going to go left, left, both, 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 left, both. Let's do that same exact one again. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Then we're going to do the top tune now, going up to the pinky. So left, left, both, 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 left, both. Up to the D there in the right hand again. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Up to the pinky. Then we just keep stepping the pattern up onto our A chords now in both hands. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Up to the B minor as well. Here we go. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Up to the C pattern. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Then we go back again to the beginning. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Top note now. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. A minor. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. B minor now. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. And then we're going up to our G's together now. G, D note, into your D chord here in your left hand. Down, down, and finish on your G chord there. So at the end, let's do a run of everything together. I'll start from the simplest level and we'll go up the 4 levels today to our very hardest. Let's introduce our hardest one now, and that is to stretch our left hand over an octave pattern down here. So we're going to go pinky on G, D, up to G there. And we're going to keep the same rhythm that we've just done in level 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to the C. 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and all again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 1 and 2 and 3. Hold the A if you like. G. To finish. You could also do a G to the D full step up if you wanted. And over if you want to finish there. Let's do all that again, but as we're getting used to that left hand, let's just block some right hand triads there over the top. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now to the A minor. B minor. All again, part 2. A minor. Once again, just drop one hand out if you want to practice this next part a step easier. Let's now add the left hand over the octave there. And for the right hand, let's add in our tune again of our 3, 2, 3, 1, wait. 3, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left, both, 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 left, both. Left, left. Left, left. So we can just tip over to the left hand there of going 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, up to our 10th there. Well, let's put all of those levels together and have a bit of a play through, stepping from the easiest to our hardest. Ready, go. If you're interested in some more beautiful tenths and eighths and ninths, then check out a video called Restful Yuruma Riffs that I'll pop here as well. So have fun with those levels today. Let me know in the comments which level you liked the best and maybe which one, whether it was easier or harder, really caught your ear today. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a great week. Ta-da.